My favorite object to view, and has been since I bought my first telescope, is Saturn. I always am in awe of when I'm able to view its rings and its largest moons and really get an idea of how small and infinitesimal we are as humans and as a planet, where this object, Saturn, being almost 1 billion miles away from the sun, and just as massive as it is, we can still resolve with a smaller telescope than this, its beautiful rings and its atmosphere. So every time I look at it, I'm always in awe and always want to learn more about space and the other planets.